Yep, it's me again, guys. We got another product review here. I got this new product I just got. It's from TESMEN digital brake fluid tester to test for if your fluid is contaminated, discolored, or there's some mixed with chemical in that fluid. And if you know you need to be flush or exchange, this test right here is pretty much what you need to look for those type of problem. And this tester right here come with the manuals book to tell you how to use it and all the information you needed about this product. But this product right here come with the case and easy to restore to your toolbox. It's perfect collection as being mechanic. If you're mechanic for work on the cars, this is pretty much what you need. Because I've been working on vehicles for quite long now, and then I always check for the fluid contaminated. If you do need the fluid exchange as a maintenance, because what I do a lot of maintenance on the vehicles. So these tools right here really fit my toolbox and myself. So these tools right here only take two battery, which is AAA. That's all you need, AAA battery, and then it come with the AAA battery, by the way, and also come with a little pouch case, so you can restore your tools there and keep it, and so you won't get destroyed, get damaged, so you will last longer. Yep, check it out, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna test this brake fluid tester with this TESMEN. So check it out. If you know his fluid is bad, this percentage is gonna go above 2%. If it's good, it's gonna go below 2%. So let's test it. Obviously, this fluid, look, it's all green, it's contaminated, being still original. So we're gonna test it out, see how bad is the brake fluid. So this brake fluid right here is DOT is 4.4. So we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah, that's above 2%. That's way beyond.
Oh, 2.8.
This is way beyond. See that?
Yeah, that went to 3.9.
Yeah. See that? That's way beyond, man. That's bad. That's bad right there. Check this one right here. Check this fluid right here. I just did a brake flush on this car right here. You got brand new fluid, man. I just did it like a couple hours ago, so we're gonna test it. Obviously, look at it. It's a brand new fluid. We'll test it out if it's really gonna work. If it's go below 2%, you know it's good. If it's below 2%, it's good. Zero.
Yeah, I think it's how you're holding it.
Hold it down, hold it down.
I think that's why it keeps jumping. There you go. 1.3, 1.4.
We're still good, man.
But yeah, I think
It's still good.
I think you keep getting one of the prongs just out of the water or out of the brake fluid.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
1.3.
Yeah, but you.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
Because I gotta clean it. I gotta clean it again. You gotta clean it more.
Oh, you never cleaned it from the original?
No, I did it.
I was wondering why this one jumped up.
Let's try it again. Let's see. Take a little bit of time.
Bouncing all over the place.
Yeah. See, it's dropping. It takes time. Take at least 30 seconds to get it. So he's good. It's green is good. You know what I mean? Red is bad, obviously.